Compost is often seen as just a way to enrich garden soil, but its uses go far beyond traditional gardening. Scene 2. Surprising benefits of compost. If you've been composting for a while, you might be surprised to learn how many ways this organic gold can enhance plant health, improve soil quality, and even protect your garden from pests. Scene 3. Introduction to 5 unexpected uses. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, these 5 unexpected compost uses will take your gardening game to the next level. When growing plants in containers, store-bought potting mixes often lack the necessary nutrients for long-term growth. Scene 2. Deficiencies of commercial mixes. Many commercial mixes are lightweight and drain quickly, but they don't always retain enough moisture or provide adequate nutrition. Scene 3. The role of compost in potting mix. This is where compost comes in. Adding compost to potting soil improves its structure, making it better at holding moisture while also allowing proper drainage. Scene 4. Benefits of compost microbes. Compost also introduces beneficial microbes that help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Scene 5. The ideal compost-soil ratio. A good rule of thumb is to mix 1 part compost with 3 parts potting soil to create a balanced blend that supports strong root development and sustained plant growth. Scene 6. Best plants for compost-enriched mix. This mix is especially beneficial for vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs, which need nutrient-rich soil to thrive in containers. If you're looking for a fast-acting way to deliver nutrients to your plants, compost tea is the answer. Scene 2. How compost tea works. This liquid fertilizer is made by steeping finished compost in water, allowing beneficial microorganisms and nutrients to leach into the liquid. Scene 3. Benefits of compost tea. The result is a nutrient-rich, micro-packed solution that can be sprayed directly onto leaves or used to water plants at the roots. Scene 4. Making compost tea. To make compost tea, fill a 5-gallon bucket with water and add a mesh bag filled with compost. Let it steep for 24 to 48 hours, stirring occasionally. Scene 5. Using compost tea. Once the tea is ready, strain it and use the liquid to feed your plants. This method not only boosts plant health but also strengthens their resistance to diseases. Scene 6. Advantages over synthetic fertilizers. Regular applications of compost tea improve soil biology, making it an excellent alternative to synthetic fertilizers. A tired, patchy lawn can be revived using compost as a top dressing. Scene 2. Problems with lawns. Lawns often suffer from compacted soil, nutrient depletion, and water runoff, but a thin layer of finely sifted compost can work wonders. Scene 3. Applying compost to lawns. To apply, spread a 1/4-inch layer of compost evenly across your lawn using a rake. This helps introduce organic matter, enhances soil structure, and encourages deeper root growth. Scene 4. Long-term benefits. Over time, the compost breaks down and enriches the existing soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Scene 5. Best time to apply. This method is especially effective in early spring and fall when grass is actively growing. Scene 6. Combining with aeration. Combining compost with aeration improves its ability to penetrate compacted soil, leading to a healthier, more resilient lawn. Pests can be a constant challenge in any garden, but compost can serve as a natural deterrent when used correctly. Companion planting is an effective way to maximize plant health and yield by pairing plants that benefit each other. What many gardeners don't realize is that compost can enhance this relationship even further. Certain plants thrive when grown together, and when compost is added to their soil, the benefits are amplified. Tomatoes and basil grow exceptionally well together, and adding compost to their shared bed ensures that both plants receive the nutrients they need. The added organic matter boosts soil fertility while helping retain moisture, which is especially important for tomatoes. Carrots and onions are another classic pairing that benefits from compost enrichment. Compost improves soil structure, making it easier for carrots to grow long and straight, while onions help deter pests that typically target carrots. Lettuce and radishes also perform well when planted together in compost-rich soil. Radishes mature quickly and help break up compacted soil, creating better growing conditions for lettuce. The added compost ensures that both plants receive adequate nutrition, promoting faster and healthier growth. By strategically using compost with companion plantings, you can create a self-sustaining garden where plants support one another while benefiting from nutrient-rich soil. Using compost effectively isn't just about knowing where to apply it, it's about making it a regular part of your gardening routine. Continuously adding compost to your soil each season ensures long-term fertility, reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, and supports a thriving ecosystem beneath the surface. If you're growing in raised beds or containers, refresh your compost layer before each planting cycle to maintain nutrient availability. In garden beds, layering compost as a top dressing throughout the growing season helps replenish soil nutrients naturally. Avoid digging compost too deeply into the soil, as this can disturb beneficial organisms that thrive in the upper layers. Compost also plays a crucial role in moisture retention. Mulching with compost helps keep soil temperatures stable and reduces water evaporation, making it a great addition to drought-prone gardens. By integrating compost into your gardening practices, you build healthier soil, grow stronger plants, and create a more resilient garden overall. Compost is more than just a soil additive. It's a powerful tool that can transform the way you garden. From enriching potting mixes and brewing compost tea to restoring lawns, repelling pests, and enhancing companion planting, these unexpected uses offer practical ways to get the most out of your compost pile. No matter your gardening style, incorporating compost into your routine will lead to healthier plants, improved soil, and a more sustainable garden. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven for more practical gardening tips. Share this with fellow gardeners and let's grow together.